So friends, let's see today's healthy quinoa instant dosa and no coriander chutney. Now here I've taken 1 cup of quinoa. I'm using the organic quinoa. I'm going to wash it really well under water thrice. And I'm using a strainer because the quinoa is very fine, so it does get when you're washing it, it does tend to go into the sink. So this helps to save as much quinoa as you can. And I'm going to rinse that again. Now I've made a special chutney, so watch the video till the end to see the chutney. And I also have a quinoa upma recipe. I will leave a link for that in the description box below, as well as the video at the end of this video. So wash the quinoa really well. This is very important. Otherwise you'll get a very bitter taste to the quinoa if you don't wash it. And once the quinoa is washed, we're going to soak it in 2 cups of water for at least 45 minutes. Now after 45 minutes, I'm going to drain all the water from the quinoa and I'm going to transfer it to my large mixer jar. Now to this, I'm going to add 1 medium cucumber. I've just washed the cucumber, peeled it and cut it into smaller cubes. We're going to add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera. I'm going to add half an inch of ginger, 1 green chilli, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, half an onion, and just about 2 tablespoons of coconut, which is fresh coconut. I'm going to grind this to a very smooth batter and transfer it to a bowl. Now this should be a dosa consistency, so you can add water if you feel that it is on the thicker side. And heat your pan for the dosa. So I'm always using this heavy bottom pan. Once the pan is hot, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons and I'm going to spread it out as thin as possible. Now I'm going to drizzle a few drops of coconut oil. You can also use ghee or regular cooking oil. And let it nicely crisp up. When the sides start browning, just loosen it up and flip it onto the other side. Cook the other side for at least half a minute. And once the other side is done, you can take out the dosa and transfer it onto a serving plate. This cooks really quickly and you get these lovely crispy dosas. So here I'm showing you another one. So with the amount of batter that I used, I got 3 large dosas like this. So you can always double the quantity if you want to make more. And the dosas are ready. They look really amazing and they taste also very amazing. So now let's make this easy chutney. Now for the chutney, I'm going to be using 1/4 of a cup of freshly grated coconut, 1/4 cup of roasted dal, half an inch of ginger, 5 cloves of garlic and 1 green chilli. And we're going to temper this with 1 red chilli, a few curry leaves and half a teaspoon each of cumin seeds and asafoetida. So now I'm going to transfer the ginger, the garlic, the green chilies, the dal and the coconut to a mixer jar. So this is basically just roasted chana dal. You get it easily in any grocery store. Just ask for roasted dal. And I'm going to add some salt to taste. And half a cup of water. So you can adjust the water as to how you like your chutney, whether you like it very thick or thin. So we like it to this consistency, which is a semi-thick consistency. I'm going to transfer it to a bowl and now we have to add this tempering or fodni or tadka. So I'm going to heat 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use ghee. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add cumin seeds. Here I'm using coconut oil. I'm going to add the red chilies and I'm going to add the fresh curry leaves. We're going to fry everything really well together. till the curry leaves and the chili crisp up a bit. And then I'm going to add the asafoetida or the hinger. Give everything a good mix and then turn off the heat. Let this tempering cool just for about half a minute and then transfer it to the chutney. Now I'll always like to add the chutney back to the tempering so that we don't lose any of the flavors, and then give it a good mix. You can taste whether you want to add more salt, etc. You can also add a pinch of sugar when you're grinding the chutney. And you can enjoy this healthy and delicious dosa with this amazing chutney. I do hope you give this recipe a try, and don't forget to check out the quinoa upma recipe. I'll leave a link for it at the end of the video, as well as the video at the end of this video. Thank you guys. Hope you're going to give today's recipe a try. Share my recipes with family and friends. Go and visit my channel. I have more than 500 recipes as of today. So go try them out, share them with family and friends, and let me know also in the comment section below how you like the recipe. Also, don't forget to give this recipe a big thumbs up by clicking the thumbs up icon that you see below this video. If you haven't joined Akshata's recipes yet, click the subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. And once you have subscribed, there's a little bell icon that will pop up. Just click it. That way, whenever I put up a new video, a recipe, vlog, or I'm just online waiting to chat with you, you get a message for the same. So friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye. Take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. So till I see you in my next video, bye.